Suppose that electric potential in some region of space is given by, so V equal to V naught e to the power of minus Az into cos Ax, where A is positive constant. So find the electric field at a general point x comma y comma z. So to find the electric field at a general point, so we have this relation. So first we write what the potential given here. The potential given here is V equal to V naught into e to the power of V naught into e to the power of minus Az, V naught into e to the power of minus Az into cos Ax, into cos Ax. Now this relation we have, electric field is given by minus dou V by dou x I cap plus dou V by dou y j cap plus dou V by dou z k cap. When potential is a function of two or more variables, then each variable should be differentiated partially, and then we have to substitute in this form. So dou V by dou x is the partial derivative for x, dou V by dou y is partial derivative for y, dou V by dou z is partial derivative for z. Now here two variables are there, x and z. So this term will not be there. So this term will become 0. Only the other two terms will be there in this formula. Okay, so first we find dou V by dou x. So we differentiate the above function, the potential function with respect to x. When you differentiate the above function with respect to x, so z will be constant. So when z is constant, V naught e to the power of minus Az will be constant. So we have to differentiate cos Ax. What is the differentiation of cos Ax? Minus sin Ax into A, successive differentiation, chain rule. So dou V by dou x will become minus V naught e to the power of minus Az. So into A also you can write here. So this A also you can write V naught into A minus e to the power of minus Az into sin Ax. So this is dou V by dou x. Now we have to differentiate the above function with respect to z. So dou V by dou z will be equal to, so when we differentiate with respect to z, x will be treated as constant. So V naught cos Ax will be constant. Now we have to differentiate e to the power of minus Az. E to the power of minus Az derivative will be e to the power of minus Az into minus A, minus A. So you will get here, so dou V by dou Z will be equal to minus V naught, so minus V naught into A cos Ax, cos Ax into e to the power of minus Az. So if we substitute this dou V by dou Z and dou V by dou x over here in this formula, so then already minus sign is there. So in these two terms also minus sign you have. So minus minus will get cancelled ultimately. So electric field vector will be equal to V naught. So it will be equal to V naught A e to the power of minus Az into cos Ax. Sorry, it is sin Ax. So sin Ax I cap plus V naught into A cos Ax e to the power of minus Az into k cap. K cap. So this is the correct option. So you can also take V naught A as common. So you can also take V naught into A e to the power of minus Az as common. Then you will get sin Ax I cap plus cos Ax k cap. Cos Ax k cap. So this is the correct option.